Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to stop ads on any Android phone. If you're using any Android phone and you want to stop or block ads from your Android phone, so let's see how can you do that. Now to do this, you have a simple settings. You just open your settings app and here just select more connections or connections option from here, or you can directly search for just tap on the search settings and here just simply search for the setting which is DNS. Just search for this and you'll find the settings here, or you can manually go to more connections and here just select private DNS or the DNS service you find, and here just select private DNS provider hostname, then enter this DNS address which is dns.adguard.com. So after entering this address, just tap on save option. So once it will be connected, you'll find the name here, and after connecting the DNS, you will not get any pop-up ad on your Android phone. So in this way, you can easily block all ads on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.